Jinja 2 safe keyword. I have a little problem understanding what an expression like something.render safe does. From what I have seen, without the safe keyword it outputs the entire HTML document, not just the true content. What I would like to know is what it actually does, how it functions.
The safe filter explicitly marks a string as safe, i.e., it should not be automatically escaped if auto-escaping is enabled. The documentation on this filter is here. See the section on manual escaping to see which characters qualify for escaping.
Normally text is HTML escaped, so would be written out as, which would render as. When you put vertical bar safe after something, you're telling the template engine that you have already escaped the text yourself, i.e. it's safe to render this directly. So it will not do that encoding for you. For more information, this URL.
For anyone coming here looking to use the safe filter programmatically, wrap it in a markup safe.markup class, on which Jinja 2 depends on.
Expanding on Data's answer, here's an example of using markup safe.markup. The resulting HTML will show Donald's last name in bold wherever the template contains name.
You can build this way. Post.body is the variable that is getting the data from the database or any file. Post.body safe. I hope you will get it.